What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about this crypto here called Jupiter, which has gone through a major increase in value, over 230% increase in the last 24 hours, and it's currently trading at 0.008849 cents. So we're going to be looking at what caused this major pump in value. Is it going to keep pumping? Is it going to drop back down in value? Looking at its next target and mainly covering both buyers and sellers point of view. Looking at, is it time to buy it right now? Is it too late? Should you sell it? Should you or hold on to it before it pumps up even higher in value, so on and so on. And essentially looking at both buyers and sellers point of view, and also looking at how high this crypto can go in 2023, and is it a crypto worth investing into this year. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking on the Coinbase website. The market is down just under a percentage in the last 24 hours, and obviously we do have Jupiter as one of the top gainers in the last 24 hours. So going into the coin market cap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up over 2,400%, making it $12 million in trading, which is a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on Jupiter. Of course, it's pumped up so much in value. We are going to see a lot more people looking into the project, more buyers, more sellers, and in general, just a lot of people trading it, as it is one of the top gainers, and is getting a lot of attention and a lot of hype by a lot of people. And again, it's pumped up in value after quite a while guys. Going back to the Coinbase website, as you can see, for over a month it's been trading at just about 0.5% here, and right now has gone through an incredible increase in value in a space of about not even 24 hours. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the daily chart with the MACD indicator, which I'm going to be using to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Jupiter, which is here in purple at 0.007825 cents. However, it is trading at much higher value here at 0.01518, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But as usual, before I get into all of that stuff guys, just a little disclaimer: this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and we do have the orange line looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction. So essentially what we have is two lines going the opposite direction to each other. That's meaning an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected from Jupiter over the next 12 to 14 hours. So let's say by midday tomorrow, more or less, Jupiter should be trading around the 1 cent target. Nothing too crazy. Do expect dips in between, do expect peaks. It's going to be quite volatile, up and down, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the neutral side, so more or less fluctuating around its current price range. Now moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? The blue and the orange now looking very steep, heading towards a positive direction, meaning an overall major increase in value is what is expected. However, as I mentioned plenty of times in my previous videos, whenever the MACD indicator is looking this steep, that means it's not realistic, and the exact same reason applies here guys. It's not realistic. What I'm expecting is for it to drop back down in value over the coming days. So towards the end of next week, I'm expecting Jupiter to have dropped back down to around 0.007 to 0.008 cents in target, somewhere in between here towards the end of next week. So slow and steady decreases in value are expected over the coming days from this crypto. So for those of you asking, is it a good time to get into Jupiter right now? Personally, I wouldn't, only because it's pumped up over 200% in a space of about 12 to 14 hours. It is likely for it to start dropping back down in value over the coming hours and coming days as well. So guys, short-term traders out there, make sure your risk management is on point. I know it's an exciting time, it's pumped up over 200%. People may start to get into it right now because it may pump up even higher and they can make that quick money. But again, you also have to bear in mind that it's also very easy to lose that money as well. But as long as you've got your risk management is on, is there, then that's fine. Now, moving on to the daily chart, again, it's looking quite steep, especially the blue line and the orange line as well. But obviously the blue line is getting way more steep than the orange line, meaning once again it's not realistic what I am expecting over the coming weeks from Jupiter. So let's say over the next 6 to 8 weeks, mid to late May 2023, is again an overall minimal increase in value, nothing too crazy, potentially heading up to about 2 cents in target is what I'm expecting from Jupiter by the end of May and early June 2023. However, as you guys know, this depends on how the crypto market performs. So for example, if Bitcoin manages to go past 30, 35k, 40k, then of course we are going to see major increases in value in the crypto market. However, if it decides to drop back down to about 20k, 15, 20k, we are going to see major drops in the crypto market. But anything like that, that's why I'm here, guys, to keep you guys updated on a regular basis and as much as I can. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. But so far so good for Jupiter. However, for the short term, as I keep mentioning, do expect it to take a little bit of a step back, a little bit of a drop. So yeah, those of you guys who are short-term traders, make sure you'll be careful out there. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to see where we're sitting at the moment, and are we in the red zone, green zones, and so on, and how long do we have for Jupiter to move up to the next level. So just gonna draw this here. I'm pretty sure we are still in the red zone but getting closer to the green zone. As you guys can see here, we are literally in the red zone right now but heading upwards. But as I mentioned earlier, I am expecting it to drop back down in value over the coming days and weeks. So again, it is likely to drop back down further down the red zone before hopefully, guys, by around May, June time, we should be able to hit the resistance target here of 2 cents and potentially head into the green zone in Q3 of 2023, depending on how the crypto market performs. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Jupiter, guys. What I want you guys to do is let me know in the comment section down below, how high are you guys expecting this crypto to go, and also let me know what are your expectations. How many of you guys are bullish? How many of you guys are bearish? When is it likely to hit 10 cents? And comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see what your expectations, your predictions are on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. A massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.